We've just seen over $1 billion get wiped from the crypto market in the past 24 hours. Let me tell you why that happened. Now, there were two bits of important data coming out this week. Now, they're not the only reason that the market might have turned bearish or bullish, but they are two very good factors. Number one, we had the CPI data come out on Tuesday, and number two, we had PPI data come out on Thursday. Now, for example, look how Bitcoin and Solana reacted leading into the CPI news. If you take a look at this chart, they pumped pretty much immediately after the CPI data came out on Tuesday. Then look at this beautiful push to the upside, starting to front run any bullishness that the PPI might have presented. And then you can see on the charts when the PPI came out, it was pretty disappointing and the market fell over. What we saw with the market was a sell-off from Sunday into Monday in anticipation of bad CPI data. What happened was the data turned out relatively bullish and the market started pumping. Then we saw the market start making assumptions that the PPI data would be bullish, so the market started pumping into the PPI news, and we subsequently saw Bitcoin hit all-time highs. And what happened was the PPI news came out pretty bearish and the market collapsed, causing a monster liquidation. Now, this is a typical scenario that plays out time and time again, and I talk about it a lot on my daily trading show on the Chart Hackers. Now, what typically happens is if you get a sell-off into an event like CPI or PPI, you generally want to look for buys, and if you get a pump into CPI or PPI data, you generally want to look for sells, or the bears want to look for a couple of shorts. If you like trading volatility, you can catch me trading this stuff live every single day on the Chart Hackers.